So I'm gonna do 2 videos to show you the other 2 animals in my house, and I'm trying to be quiet because I'm trying to get the bird. He's shy. I can't whistle now. Oh, stupid bird. So this is Zoe. Somebody could let her out. And no, we're not mean. Just Zoe and Annabelle do not get along. No, you don't. No, you don't get along. Oh, Zoe, you're the other culprit in the hole digging. Yes, you are. Now this is the bird that I was trying to get to say something. He's probably gonna get all mean now, because he's like that. Oh, I guess not. Tamale. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the internet. You're gonna be all shy. Alright, fine. Oh, Zoe. You like the camera though, huh? Alright, so that's it. Yeah. Just found out Castle's not in HD tonight. Yeah. Not thrilled. Stupid football. Whatever. Alright, well, I'm gonna go for reals this time. Hopefully. Yeah, bye.